Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's hotter than a summer barbecue. In the left corner, weighing in at $129, we have the Techwonderz drone with camera. And in the right corner, for a slightly heftier $149, meet the CHUBORY Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone. Let's dive in and see which one of these skydancers deserves to be your new aerial buddy. First up, let's talk about camera quality. Because let's be honest, if your drone isn't capturing epic photos and videos, is it even a drone? Techwonderz comes with 1080p HD dual cameras, and the front one even rotates 90 degrees. It's like the yoga master of drones. Plus, it has a 50x zoom. So whether you're spying on your neighbor's barbecue or capturing a scenic sunset, Techwonderz has got you covered. Just don't be creepy, okay? On the flip side, CHUBORY is flexing a 2K HD camera with a 130-degree wide-angle lens. It's like having a GoPro strapped to a Falcon. The camera can be adjusted within 90 degrees via remote control or the app. So if you want to catch that perfect aerial shot of your friend's epic fail, this is your guy. A verdict? If you're all about those crispy, high-def shots, CHUBORY takes the cake. But if you need that sweet zoom action, Techwonderz is your hero. Next, let's see which one of these bad boys can stay in the air longer without needing. Techwonderz boasts an impressive 50 minutes of flight time with its upgraded battery. That's like an entire sitcom episode minus the annoying commercials. But wait, CHUBORY is coming in hot with not one, not two, but 3 upgraded batteries, giving you a whopping 84 minutes of flight time. That's enough to watch a full-length movie while your drone does its thing. Just don't forget the popcorn. If you're planning a long aerial escapade, CHUBORY is your marathon runner. Techwonderz, you're still solid, but you might want to bring a charger to the party. Let's talk about those extra goodies that make flying these drones as fun as a roller coaster ride. Techwonderz comes packed with features like optical flow positioning, altitude hold mode, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and even some cool gesture controls. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Plus, it can do 360 degrees flips and rolls. Fancy a drone doing parkour? This one's for you. CHUBORY isn't messing around either. With optical flow positioning, altitude hold, follow me, 3D flips, and gesture selfie functions, it's like having a personal aerial photographer. And the best part? It's under 249 grams, so no registration needed. Just grab it and go. Both drones are feature-packed. But CHUBORY's brushless motors and the fact that it's ready to fly straight out of the box without any paperwork make it a tad more appealing for those who hate bureaucracy as much as I hate pineapple on pizza. Techwonderz is praised for its ease of use, great image quality, and being beginner-friendly. Reviewers love its lightweight design and portability. Meanwhile, CHUBORY receives mixed reviews. While some users love its camera quality and stability, others have faced issues with its performance. CHUBORY is noted for its long battery life and suitability for beginners. So there you have it, smart shoppers. Both Techwonderz and CHUBORY have their strengths and quirks. If you're looking for high-def camera quality and marathon flight time, CHUBORY might just be your new best friend. But if you love a drone that can zoom, flip, and dodge obstacles like a pro, Techwonderz is your go-to gadget. Which drone would you pick? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Ty Smart, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our epic comparisons. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.